It's all about money, how to help Kenyans make money.
Just call cha-ching. Cha-ching.
All the best. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to the Coding Show, the first African coding challenge show. This is where 4 teams of developers turn real problems into code in 4 hours. And today, it's all about money, how to help Kenyans make money. So everybody loves money. Everybody wants money. So today's challenge is simple. You're supposed to build something that helps Kenyans make money, that helps you make money. So think of you, Lynette, think of money, and bridge that gap. Yeah, so you have 30 minutes to brainstorm and 4 hours to build. Yeah, all the best.
My name is George Kamunge. I am the CEO and founder of Certified Tech. Today I wear my full stack dev hat.
Yeah, my name is Leonard Scabo, full stack developer and founder of Enchanted Technologies and also a part-time farmer.
Joan Kinoti, a software engineer working on both web and mobile, and I'm currently taking computer science at Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology in my final year.
I'm Ephraim, a final year computer science student at Jomo Kenyatta. I'm also a software engineer, primarily on machine learning and IoT stuff, but also sometimes web applications and mobile apps.
Hi, my name is Ariel Kerubo. I'm an IT student.
My name is Nancy. I am an IT student at Machagos University, second year. Hi, my name is Cynthia Wanyaki. I am a data scientist at Rahid Consults. I work a lot with fashion brands, beauty brands, and anybody who sells online.
Hi, my name is Miriam Guru. I'm as well a data scientist at Rahid Consultancy, and we work with Cynthia in the fashion industry and beauty tech industry.
Hi, my name is Alex Mwendo. I am a communication officer at WTS Foundation, and I'm glad to be here today. I will be one of the judges, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Okay, so idea is simple. We've noticed that there's a huge disconnect between Kenyans and people who have businesses. Most young people, they have a good number of following, especially on WhatsApp. They have very many views on status. They have social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, but they're not monetizable in any way. And on the other hand, there are also business people who have businesses that require visibility but do not have area. So our platform, which is mainly supposed to earn, enables these people to be able to upload their products on that system, and then someone can play it and be able to market it on their socials. And for every ad they run on their socials, that's something.
So we'll be working on a platform where a user can take a picture of maybe random things they might not be using in their houses, in their homes, or anywhere really, and they get an idea of what they can do with the product. Maybe upcycle the product and sell it, or even the current value of that product, as well as how they can combine 1 or 2 products to make a product that they can sell. Again, they can resell.
It's just for King comes.
Our idea is targeting university students, most of us
struggle to find quick ways to make money. That's why we have come up with Pixel Finder. It's a web app that connects students to nearby tasks like beauty services, running errands, and tech repairs. So we work a lot in the fashion and in the beauty space, and this space is where most Kenyans venture into when they don't have capital. So, but one of the problems that our clients face is getting the buyers in their location, and the buyers can't get the sellers that are selling the product that they need. So we are building a hyper localized platform that connects sellers and buyers in real time, and the platform is going to be conversational. So for sellers who are not so technical, our agent is going to automatically give the product description and the listing, and the buyers can get the seller in the location. So if it's in Nairobi, Angani, and the exact road, you're going to be connected with the seller in that exact place.
Can confirm naweza fanya hizo services mimi kama helper. How do you confirm I can do those services? Maybe nadanganya.
So danganya na utalipwa upon service completion.
Okay.
Nataka upload.
Of data because it's something that sellers and buyers connecting in real time. I don't think there is any platform that has been able to achieve that. So that we hope to actualize it.
Yeah, especially buyers and sellers who connect very locally, because our platform is very, it's focusing on the market that it's very local to you. The buyers and the sellers are within like
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer radius, 2 kilometers radius. Yeah, so I think it's something that we will continue taking up, and generally the vibe for since we came has been really amazing, and yeah, we hope to continue coming again. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's been an amazing day, I think, since morning. The teams have been busy, the teams have been doing good work, and listening also to the ideas that they have. I think they're very, very brilliant, and I hope that the teams will continue on this ideas and projects even outside of the show, because these are really great ideas, and anything that helps put some, more money in your account, who they want to have that.
Well, it's obvious. If you've reached this point, you obviously like the video. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are on road to 10K subscribers by the end of January. If we reach that target, one of you will get a chance to win either a laptop or a mountain. So make sure you subscribe. Keep moving, keep watching. So you've had 30 minutes of brainstorming for the code. How you all feeling? Yeah. Lynette, mbona umekasirika? Yeah. Joanne, George, afilaje? Kofiti? Yeah, so this is actually the best segment of this show, for me at least, because you all get a chance to sell yourself, and it's exciting. Yeah, so all the best.
Okay, good evening, Kenyans. So my team, Lennox, and I, George, have decided to build a system that solves a real Kenyan problem. The challenge was be able to create a system that helps Kenyans solve money, or get money rather. So our system aims to solve that. And what we want to do is, there are very many people who have smartphones, very many Kenyans, very many youths, and there are very many businesses on the other hand who have products that need visibility. So our aim is to balance that. And so our system, as you've seen here, turn your WhatsApp status into real money. Post ads to your WhatsApp status, get paid 50 per post. It's that simple. No followers needed, no experience required. So all you need is a smartphone. Because you have a smartphone, you're a student, you have so many views on your WhatsApp, but they all get lost. None of them is monetized. You have Instagram, you have TikTok, none of them is monetized. And there are businesses out there. There's someone who is 50 years old, does not know how to use TikTok, does not know how to use Instagram, does not know how to use WhatsApp. But for this specific one, we decided to first start with WhatsApp status. So the leverage is, if you have views, you can turn them into money. So how it works, you can scroll. Sign up. You create your free account in 30 seconds. There's no credit card required. And you pick an ad. So for example, if you have a shop and you have a banner, you want someone to market it for you. You pick an ad, you post it on the system. I'll show you in a few. You pick that ad if you're a student or you're someone who can sell through your WhatsApp. And then browse available campaigns, you download the banner and there's a caption tied to it, and then you make a post. So after 24 hours, you upload to your WhatsApp. After you've uploaded to your WhatsApp status, after 24 hours, take a screenshot showing the view count for proof. So maybe you have 200 views, you show it as proof, and then you get paid. So the admin checks the screenshot that you've already posted. See, this one actually has been viewed by people, and so we approve and we pay you your 50 shillings. Okay, you can scroll. Yeah, and so I think let's go to the dashboard. Yeah, I've already opened it here. Okay, so we have two dashboards. Number one, we have the admin dashboard, and we also have the client dashboard. So if you have a smartphone that you can use, this is the dashboard you're going to see. And once you log in, you're going to have available gigs. For example, right now I've just used dummy data. So available gigs right now 5. Potential today, if you post 3 ads, is 70. Average pair 58. Daily limit 3 posts maximum per day. Of course, this is just a rough estimate. It can be debated that you can add the number of or the amount that you get. Okay, you can scroll. Yeah, so for example, right here, we have maybe a coffee house and they want to promote this. In the admin dashboard, they will post. When you enter and you see your available gigs, you can see them here. There's the image, this is the one you're going to post. And then there's start your morning right. Buy one, get one free on lattes every morning. You can read full caption. Over here, read full caption. Oh, okay, it's okay. So start your morning right, buy one, get one free on all lattes every morning from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then you can get an image. When you get an image, you download it and then copy text. And then copy text. Once you copy, caption copied, paste it on your WhatsApp status. So what you do after you've done this is you upload on your WhatsApp status, and then after 24 hours, you post a screenshot, and then you show them. You can choose file. You submit whatever you've done. You can search post. Okay, whatever. Submit and get paid. Okay, so it tells you proof uploaded, waiting for admin approval. And then once you go to this dashboard over here, okay, so on the admin dashboard, they've set up the campaigns. These are the campaigns they had, and they've set the amount they are willing to pay. So you choose the one you want, and then you can check the submissions. So if someone has already, let's say now John Denge has already uploaded or showed that they have run this actual campaign, this is just because I had created one before. This is the one we've added just right now. And so they can approve, check the screenshot, and then approve or reject if they don't want to confirm. Then we go back to our gigs, now to the user dashboard. And then you can, so my submissions, you've already submitted my wallet. So you can see there we have your money there. And now, because it has been approved, you can withdraw. Get sent to your M-Pesa, withdrawal of 45 shillings initiated, sent to your M-Pesa. So that's our system.
Hi, so I'm Joan Kinoti, and together with my teammate Ephraim, we present to you Chaching Come. Yeah. So the challenge was build a solution that will enable Kenyans to make money. And for us, we chose we wanted to do a fun, simple product. So before you, Chaching is a system where you just upload a picture, take a picture of things around you or in your house, or things that you've not used over time. Then you'll be given ideas on how you're going to change these things into something you can sell, recycle, upcycle, and yeah, maybe suggestions of where you can sell them. So that's how it works. You snap a photo, then our AI, the AI we used, analyzes the items in this image, then gives you price ranges and see what your items can fetch. Then finally, you also get upcycling ideas as well as the steps that you're going to follow in order to upcycle this product, which makes it, I think, a little bit more fun and engaging because you're doing something creative as well. So I'll let Ephraim do the demo.
Hi everyone. So for the demo, you can start at multiple places here. So you just pick a photo. Oh, like this boy's messy bedroom. Then we'll see if we can make money. Yep. Then we analyze the photo. Internet. Fingers crossed. And then the internet decided to stop working. So
what are we supposed to see after it loads?
You're supposed to see, from the given image, you should see things that you should be able to sell from your item. And yeah,
we are back now. So from the image, you see this image, it's a messy room. But now the AI can analyze the image, can pick some things that can be sold or something that can be repurposed. So you see, the AI suggested that from this mess, you can make from around 3,050 to 640. And how do you make that money? So there is an office chair here. We are assuming it's full. That's why it's not in good condition from here. You'll see it has been marked as upscalable. because we are not sure if it's complete. So from that office chair, sell us this or clean it for better price. Then there's a beanbag chair here, same way. Then there's a dumbbell somewhere. What's that? It's somewhere. Then clothes, books, and a yoga mat. Those are items that you can just sell and you'll make money. Then the upcycling ideas. So from this image, there's probably some things that you can combine and form a new, better product, if I'm correct to say that. Yeah. Then, so from here, we can see that from all that mess, you can make a fabric scrap coaster. So turn all fabric scraps into decorative and useful coasters. And then here are the steps of how to do it. We try to make the steps a bit short and brief and straight to the point. So you'll be given step 1, do this, step 2, then step 4. Then it has also told you how difficult making this thing is. So for this, you can see it's very easy, and you'll make around 100 to 200%, and it will take you 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah. So earlier on, they suggested that we add a marketplace, but now 4 hours, but some guy in the crowd. So 4 hours, but you see, when we continue, you'll find here a marketplace. We can connect you to another, like something like Gigi. Yeah. And that's our chaching come. Yeah. And it works.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are team 3. I'm Ariel, she's Lynette. So we present to you Fixer Finder. So the problem statement is there's a lot of university students that have a lot of skills that they're not able to monetize. They don't have like quick and reliable ways to monetize their skills. So Fixer Finder is a system that will enable the university students to, you can see there's different categories, yeah. So you come and log in, you now like choose your category, and then you can post your price and your location so that other people can be able to access your services through the app. Yeah, she's gonna demonstrate the whole system.
Okay, hi everyone, my name is Lynette.
Hi, Lynette.
Yeah, thank you. So as Ariel has said, we are helping university students to monetize their skills, and we are going to use locations. So the people who have skills, we call them helpers. So in this app, you can join as a helper. That is where you state your, why is it loading? You give out your name. Say my name is Alex. You sign up with your phone number and your campus. We're thinking of incorporating where students can give out their admission numbers so that we know that they're really students. And you can list the services that you offer, like you can do laundry, you can tutor, or beauty, or set up any kind of service that you provide. Create your profile, and you will see your dashboard. You will see your dashboard. Okay, so this is Fixer Finder. This is our landing page where you get a small about us and the services that are popular. And our app, we use a location so that people can find helpers that are near them. You can look for helpers such as people who do laundry, get them, you can book them. And the people offering these laundry services, they are the university students. So this is your number. Any additional requirements, you can put what you want. The price, it's fixed, confirm booking. And the booking is confirmed. If you check your, yeah, so that is finding helpers. Now joining as a helper, you sign up, give us your information, your name, your phone number, the campus you're in, and later we will put in the admission numbers. Let's say you're offering tutorship and you complete your setup, it's creating your profile. And from there, we used dummy data for this. This is Alex, and he has earned 77 shillings, and he has done 3 services, 0 are pending, and this is his rating. You can see the services that he posted up. You can add a service. Let's say you have like a lot of skills in your hand. You can upload an image of the service you're providing. Did I upload any? Yeah. Of the service you're providing. Say you're teaching people swimming. Your service title, category, it's other. You can describe your service. You can set your price. You can put like 300 shillings, and the duration, it's in minutes, so maybe 230 minutes. And then you post your service. Service posted. And you will see the service that you are offering. This post is the same as adding a service, and then the messages here is where you'll see people who have booked you or people whom you have booked. So like Alex here, he's an iPhone repairer. So you see he sent a message to a person that he was repairing for a phone, that the screen is just replaced successfully. And he can also see his profile. Yeah. His wallet, ratings, services completed, pending services, there are no pending services, and these are the services he has completed. Yeah, you can also yeah, we had 2 dashboards, the one as a helper or joining as a person who's trying to find a task. You're a task seeker. As a task seeker, the system has already detected where you are, so it suggests the people who are close to you. You can see Jordan Lee, he's 0.5 kilometers away, and his job takes 120 minutes. Book, I think I've already showed you guys this. Yeah, they also have messages and a profile where they can see the services they have booked and the services that are pending. Yeah, so that is our app.
Okay. Hi guys.
Hi, Simbo.
So Miriam and I work a lot with fashion businesses, and as you all know, every fashion, especially for thrift clothing, that is the sector that most people tend to go to when they're thinking of a low risk business, because the capital is like very, very low. So from the people that we have worked with a lot, we discovered that there is one huge problem: the connection of the seller and the buyer in terms of location. Because you'll find that there's a buyer in Nairobi, in CBD, but the seller is in Nairobi, but in Mathare. So our system is a hyper-localized market platform that works like an Uber. So it's going to connect the buyer with the seller within like 1 kilometers. If the system does not find a seller of that product within kilometers of 1 radius, it's going to pick 2 kilometers. So once you log into the system, there are gonna be details as a seller. You're going, so you're going to have real-time location. So as you state your location, you can browse through the app. Yeah. So if you go to the browsing the marketplace, yeah. So once you log in, there are details that you are going to input as the seller. There's going to be verification of your ID so that we can assess that you are an actual seller. And the buyers, on the other hand, are also going to have their details in the system. So once you sign in, let's see, you select your location, and then you can choose if you want to buy items or to sell items, and then you create your account. So we will have connected this with the Google Earth API that is going now to connect your exact location at that time. So you're going to find the seller who registered, and you're going to be recommended with the seller. Because the actual issue that we faced with the people that we help to sell is that they are not able to get the buyers in real time. So let's go back to the homepage. Yeah. The other problem that we discovered is that a lot of the sellers are not quite technical. So when they're listing their products, they really don't have the jargon to explain it. So there's going to be an agent that is going to help the seller to come up with automatic descriptions and automatic product names for it. So you don't really have to keep thinking about how to describe your product in order to convince the buyer to buy it. And we also have the M-Pesa escrow.
Okay, so the M-Pesa escrow is a way in which your money is held safely until you receive your item, or until both the customer and the buyer and the seller are satisfied. So in that way, we're able to reduce scams and fraud, which is very common in online buying and selling. So yeah, so the use of M-Pesa escrow will minimize fraud and scamming when buying and selling goods on the internet. Yeah.
So now the results are here. So the reason why I prefer to have a judge in this episode is because everyone here has participated in building something. So that's your baby. So you'll be biased towards it. So that's why I want a third party opinion, so that we can have an unbiased opinion. Yeah. Let's hear from our judge.
Hi everyone. I'm today's judge, also a vibe coder. And first of all, let me start by saying all ideas and projects presented were really good.
Yeah.
You guys gave me a hard time having to pick which is best than the other.
Yeah.
So I would like to say that all projects were really, really well done. And kudos to every team. The day has been productive. Yeah. And so my look at the projects, I put up 5 categories that I thought were relevant to look at each project. The first was impact and relevance. The second was the technical execution, that is to do with the code and all that. The third was on innovation and creativity, and also your UX and UI. And lastly was on the presentation and feasibility, and how basically you were selling your products. Yeah, so let me, before I give the final order, I know we are waiting for that.
Yeah.
Let me also say some solutions were not so novel, but they were contextually sound in terms of they were really good. They can really be used, in the context. I saw some very good designs, and others could use some work. There was very clear explanations on your solutions as well. I think every solution had how it works and, you know, well detailed. But there's potential still for integration with local money systems. I think I just saw one group that had integrated that. And for the UX, some had watermarks. So we'll try next time to use,
In their defense, it was 4 hours.
It was 4 hours, okay. In their defense, good. So great storytelling, everyone, and great explanation. Also good teamwork. Either both of you were presenting or one was on the screen while the other was, you know, talking. And so the moment we are all waiting for.
Yes, sir.
Drum rolls. Awesome. So do I start from top or the other side?
The other side.
The other side.
The other side.
So this team tried very well. And let me tell you guys, the margins between the teams, again, very small. So coming at 4th place, which is that runners up, right, was George and Lennox, team 1. Let's give it up for them. Yeah. That's George and Lennox. Great work. And coming up at position 3 was none other than Cynthia and Miriam. Let's give it up for them. Great work. And at 2nd place, we had drum rolls. Yes, please. At 2nd place, we had Lynette and Ariel. So that's position 2. Of course, position 1 was Ephraim and Joan. And I think we all agree it was exceptional, right? But all projects, as I said before, they were really great and great work. It was great being a judge and being part of you guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's a wrap for episode 4. Yeah, so thanks to you all for making it happen, participants, judges. I didn't feel the same. Yeah, so thanks a lot. So yeah, if you reach this point, that means you love the video. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Road to 10,000 subscribers. That's what's up. Keep moving.